Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your payment method was declined, update or add a new one in App Store. If you're using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you're having the issue that your payment method was declined, you just have to update or add a new one. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So you just have to simply remove your previous payment method and then you have to try to add a new one, or you can re-add your previous payment method. So very first, you have to double check your network connection, that if you are connected to a strongest network connection. And after that, you just have to go back and then open your settings app. And here go for general, and you have to try to disconnect with your VPN if you are connected. And after doing that, you just have to go back, open your Apple ID from here, then select payment and shipping option. And from here, you have to delete your previous payment method if you have added. And once you have deleted your payment method, you just have to go back. Open your App Store, tap on your profile in the top right corner, select your account, and then you just have to wait for the next screen, and then you have to select the country or region option. And now you have to select your own country or region. First, you have to look for your own country and region from here, and once you find, you just have to select that. And after selecting, you have to select the continue option, or you can try to log in with your Apple account password here. So you just have to enter your Apple ID password. Once you have entered your Apple ID password, you just have to select the continue option from here, and then you have to select agree in the top right corner. And after doing that, you just have to wait for the next screen. And here you have to add your payment method. If you have a new payment method, so you can try a new payment method, or if you don't have any new payment method, so you can re-add your previous payment method. Now after that, you have to also enter the billing address and then phone number, then your name, and after doing that all, you just have to tap on the done option in the top right corner, and your payment method will be successfully updated on your Apple ID, or your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.